All right, what's up traders? It's Mark here. Let's get into today's live price action trading recap from today's session. Today is Tuesday, June 13th, and it was another really nice trading session. This market rally keeps going on. We had a nice long signal today at 9:47 a.m. However, guys and gals, today really was a tale of two cities. And what do I mean by that? Well, on one hand, yes, this market party keeps going on. Markets are setting new yearly highs, and this volume indicator nailed a beautiful long retracement at 9:47 a.m. this morning. However, when I say tale of two cities, I want you guys to check out what's happening in the gold market. All right, because gold had the mother of all reversals today, and gold basically plunged by almost 4%, which, if you guys trade gold, you know this is a significant move. But why is this significant? Well, if we check the economic calendar, right, we know that tomorrow the Federal Reserve is going to announce their interest rate decision policy. And every talking head out there is trying to guess or predict what the FOMC is going to do, right? Are they going to increase it again? Are they going to leave it on pause? Are they going to do absolutely nothing? I mean, nobody really knows, okay? But the key phrase that I'm especially attracted to, okay, as a day trader, and this applies to all you guys out there as well, all right, is this portion here that says high uncertainty, okay? Because to me, this means high volatility. And if we go ahead and check back with the gold chart, the gold market is telling us that high volatility is right around the corner, and we as day traders need to be prepared, right? I mean, case in point, look at today's short setups today on gold. Look at these beautiful retracements, setup number 1 and setup number 2 for a shocking 160 ticks just in 1 hour, right? So here's the takeaway from watching this video, guys and gals, all right? First and foremost, and number one, right at the top of the list, congrats to all you guys who were using the vol today on gold or on the market as a whole, all right? You know from our brainstorming sessions in our mastermind groups that volatility is a day trader's dream, and there's no force on earth that can stop a trend when a trend wants to start. All right, in either direction, either to the long side like the general market today, or to the short side like we saw on gold today, and the gold market absolutely got clobbered. I mean, this is a day trader's dream, man. And takeaway number 2, guys and gals, don't let volatility scare you. If you ask me, volatility should be your best friend. It's how you make money in the market, right? You can't make any money trading a quiet market. You need violent, volatile markets like we saw today in order to capture huge potential ticks on a daily basis. That's just the truth about trading. That's the reality about speculating in the market every single day. And don't let anybody ever tell you different, okay? Because this volume indicator color band continues to deliver day in and day out. Congrats to all you guys and gals who had another jackpot day today, and let's see what this market's gonna give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.